when we don't have any idea on the subqueries. So what you want to do, guys, here, the subquery can be split into two parts. Okay, now, so my subquery statement, how I can split here means I can split into two parts. Okay, now I'm giving solution for this. So initial stages, if you practice like this, then you will get some idea what it was happening here. Okay, now, so now I'm going to give a solution. What is the solution here? Now let me check. So first of all, inner query should be right here first. And one more thing I want to tell you, whenever we try to write some subquery statement, first mechanism is what? No, non-correlated subqueries only user. So because in real time also, 99% of people, first they are using non-correlated mechanism. So now you are asking, then why not correlated, sir? Why not correlated? Means that, yes, of course, correlated also we can use. But comparing to non-correlated, correlated, which performance-wise, which is better? Okay, the performance-wise, which subqueries are more better? Okay, so in that comparisons, non-correlated performance is very high compared to correlated. Okay, now, so that's why maximum 99% of people, their requirements will be fulfilled. Okay, what they will do first, they will try with the non-correlated. Okay, now, so that's why don't go for correlated immediately. Okay, now first try with the non-correlated. Then where I want to use correlated, sir, means that, for example, our requirement is not fulfilled. Okay, our requirement is not fulfilled with non-correlated subquery statements. Otherwise, to fulfill our requirement purpose, we are writing some complex queries, okay, in non-correlated subqueries. At that moment, use a correlated. At that moment, use a correlated. Otherwise, don't use a correlated immediately. Understand now? So what I'm saying here, correlated when we want to use means when that means user requirements. Okay, user requirements are not fulfilled. Okay, so in that cases, we can go for correlated. Second one is what now? Our requirement is going to be fulfilled, but we are writing some complex queries. We are writing some complex queries. Okay, at that time also, we will be prefer correlated. Other than these two situations, okay, don't go for correlated. And here I said one point, performance wise, the correlated is high. How it is, sir? Okay, then you will understand, not now. So now I'm showing non-correlateds and later I'm showing correlated. After knowing the knowledge of correlated and non-correlated, then finally we will compare. Okay, now finally we will compare non-correlated, correlated, which performance is better. Okay, when you know that idea, that knowledge after discussing this both subqueries. Understand my point here? Don't hurry, buddy. I will explain to you each and every point. Okay, now, right. So first we will discuss non-correlated, and after discussing correlated, then knowledge of non-correlated, correlated comparisons, and you people observe which is the better performance. Okay, now? So up to there, you have to wait for that question. I will explain after correlated examples after showing that. Okay, now? Right. So this is what. That's why any requirement when it is come to you, okay, the first thought is what now? You should implement the requirement by using of non-correlated mechanism. Okay, now suppose in why I means performance wise I said. So that's why in real time also you prefer non-correlated only prefer. Got it my point now? So this is what. So that is the first thing, you just choose your choice. Okay, let me go. Non-correlated first I will try. Okay, non-correlated first I will try. That's okay, sir. But non-correlated subqueries, how it was executed? First inner, later outer. Understand now? First inner, later outer. Okay, this is what it was going to be happening. Okay, so now, okay, inner query first I need to write. And very important thing is what now? Question also very clearly understand. If you're not understanding question, you can't write an answer. Yes or no? The first one is a question first to understand. What is my question here? This is very important. I want to display employee who are earning first highest salary. Okay, na? Right. Okay, sir. So I want to display employees, or otherwise I can say employee details. Okay, now who are earning first highest salary. So just think about, as per my question, if I want to display employee details, first what we need to know it in this example. Come on, think about that. First, what we know it. What we know it to find out first highest salary employee. Okay, right. First, what I want to know, what is highest salary? First, I have to know it. Okay, now, if you know the highest salary, how much in a table, okay, automatically based on that highest salary, that person details I can find out. Yes or no? The main key point is what now? The key point is what now? Highest salary. If I know that, then remaining things are very easy for us. Okay. Now you all of you have a good knowledge in queries. In normal queries, you have a good knowledge. Okay. Now tell me, suppose imagine one table is there. From that table, if I want to retrieve maximum salary, what is your query? Come on, guys. Very good, Venkat. So what is the first maximum salary? Select max of sal from EMP. That's over. Very simple. Okay, now. So which table? Okay, EMP table. In the table, what is your maximum salary? First, I need to find out. For that purpose, I'm writing a normal query. Okay, this is my a normal query here. Okay, now fine. After this query is executed, what it was happening, you can see. I don't know table, but I'm writing the query. What it was happening, see. Select a max of salary from EMP table. Okay, yes. The query successfully executed and it returns some value. How much here returned? 5,000. So that means in my EMP table, what is my highest salary in EMP table? 5,000 is my highest salary. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I just keep it this. I just keep it this. Okay. Next, I have to write here outer query. Next, I have to write here outer query. Because first inner query executed now, so I did it. First, okay. Now, next I have to write outer. So outer query, what it is? Here, earning highest salary, we find out. What next I have to display? Employee details. Employee details means how to display employee details, guys? What is the query? Yes, this one, correct. Come on. What is the query to display employees? Yeah, select a star from employee. It's very simple. Select a star from employee. That's over. Okay, and now observe. If I'm going to write in select a star from employee means what it was happen? Your entire table will be displayed or specific rows only displayed. Yes, entire table, all rows are displayed. Okay, now? But you want it to display all employees data or specific employee data? specific employee data. Specific employee data. Okay, I want to display specific employee data. How to fetch? How to retrieving specific data? Where condition. Very good. Where condition we need to use. So now I'm using. Okay, so I can't write the where condition. So where condition. Okay, here I need to write a where condition. Okay, fine. So when I'm writing where condition, definitely I will get my specific people. Okay. And how this condition I have to write means who I want it here earning first highest salary. Okay. So that is where salary is equals to what is your inner query result? My inner query result, how much it was came? 5,000. So salary is equals to 5,000. Yes or no? Then you will get now who was getting highest salary. Yes. But here, one thing remember, sir, this 5,000 rupees or 5,000, whatever the value I was given here, this 5,000 rupees, user will knows that 5,000 is the highest salary. I know directly. I know directly. No, we don't know directly because how I know this 5,000 is the highest salary in this EMP table? How user will knows? How user will knows? With the help of, with the help of, with the help of inner query. Yes or no? Because I doesn't know, I don't know that which is highest salary, how much is highest salary in my table. I don't know. So that was I found here. How I was found highest salary? Help of inner query. So with the help of inner query, I found what is highest salary in this table. Understand now? So that's why I can't directly write here like this. I can't directly write like this. Understand now? Then what I want to do in place of 5,000, the 5,000, how you knows that query you need to write. How I knows with the help of inner query. How I knows with the help of inner query. Okay, now. So this is you need to apply here. So finally, this is outer query and this is inner query. Then what finally I have to do? I want to write a subquery statement. So subquery statement is equals to, it is a combination of outer query plus inner query. Understand now? It is the combination of outer query plus inner query. Got it my point now? So this is what it was going to be happen. This is what it was going to be happen. Okay, right. So now we can add. Finally, I'm writing subquery. What is my outer query? This is outer query. Okay, so I'm writing select. Sorry, here I'm writing what now? Select star from EMP where salary is equals to what is your inner query? Select max of salary from EMP. Yes. So finally, I form okay subquery statement. Finally, we achieved here. And this, okay, subquery statement, now I'm going to executing here. Now you can see you got it, your first highest salary. Come on, guys. Yes or no? Yes, no? So this is the way you can write your subqueries. So that means initially when we are we don't have some idea how to start my subquery directly or how to write my subquery statement directly. Suppose in that way, if you have a confusion, okay, na, then you can go for to split your subquery into two parts, inner and outer. And first inner you can write and outer you can write as per your question. Then after finally add these two query statements together. Then subquery will be formed. Understand na? This is one example. Okay. Same to same. Okay. Same mechanism. How I was working here, how I was written here. Okay. One more example I will give to you. Can you try this? Come on, guys. Can you try this? Same to same mechanism, but little bit change. Okay. Write a query to display the senior most employee details from EMP table. Same to same. Just a year, first highest salary, year senior most. But only the column will change. Okay. Still, I'm going to showing the table information also. I'm going to showing to you. Okay. Now you can try. I wanted senior most employee details. How to write subquery? Let you try. Come on. Okay. So yes, very good. Maximum all of you tried. First, what we want to do? First inner query. First inner query, what we need to find out, guys, here in this hired data, what is my minimum hired date I need to find out first? Because yes, senior most means what now? Minimum. Understand na? Junior. If I'm asking junior means maximum. So senior means minimum, junior means maximum. So first my inner query I'm writing now. What is inner query? Select the min of a higher date. Okay, min of higher date from EMP table. Now you can see your minimum higher date in this table, we got it. Okay, so what I want to do exactly on this data, the which employee is joined, that employee details I want it here. So I'm writing here where what you say higher date is equals to select min of higher date from EMP table. There. Okay now? So simple now? Yeah. So now we are getting the who is the senior most employee we are getting now. Okay, right. In the same pattern, this is my second. One more example, try. Can you try one more example? Yes, try it here. Write a query to display employees who are working in the same job, job of the employee Smith. So I want to display what now? Employees who are working in the same job of the employee Smith. Okay. So who are working the same job? The employee Smith is also working. Otherwise, Smith is also working. Okay. Now you can go and write. So take your table first. See the table and write now. Yes. So first, what we need to find out, guys, here. First, I need to find out the Smith employee is working in which job. First, I need to find out. So that means how to write my inner query. Select what I need to find job from EMP, where employee name is equals to Smith. So Smith is working which job now? Clerk job. Understand now? Working with the clerk. So then what I want to do, inner query is got it here. Now we can write what? Outer query. So select a star from EMP where job is equals to select a job from EMP where E name is equals to Smith. E name is equals to Smith. And now I'm going to execute this. Now you can see, so who are working in the same job of Smith employees also working. So these are all are working in a same job. Okay, now this is another statement we will be right now in the subquery. And the next example. So try with another example now. Write a query to display employees whose salary is more than the maximum salary of salesman job. The maximum salary of a salesman job. Okay, na? Question understanding na? Now same you have to go and take your table first. So I want to display employees whose salary is more than the maximum salary of a salesman job. Okay, so that I need to find out here. So try it here again. Try, all of you. Okay, somebody's writing select the max. Okay, group I is not necessary here, Rizwan. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Simple. Here, what we need to find out first the maximum salary of the salesman. So now in salesman maximum salary we need to find out. So my inner query select the max of salary from EMP where job is equals to what is this guys? Salesman. Okay. Now, so salesman maximum salary how much here? 1600, right? Now in the outer query, I'm writing here outer query where salary. Okay, here what I want to say more than I said. Okay, more than means what now? Greater than. So greater than of inner query. Select the max of salary from EMP. Okay. Sorry. EMP what? Where job is equals to salesman. Job is equals to salesman. So now we can see the salesman people. Okay, salesman maximum salary how much here? 1600. Okay, now the maximum salary how much here salesman? 1600. So 1600 above I'm asking here. So above 2975, 2850, 2450, 3000, 5000, 3000. So these are all are having more than a salesman salary. Yes or no? Right. So this is another example here. Okay. So now you got some idea now how we will be. Okay. Can you try one more example now? Can you try one more example? Write a query to find out the second highest salary. Okay, from EMP table. Here I don't want it employee details. I don't want it employee details. I want to find out the second highest salary, how much. The second highest salary, how much I need to find out. I don't want it employee details, only second highest. Okay. So now this is what your table. Once I call my table here, select the star from EMP. Second highest salary I wanted it. Employee details I don't want it. Anybody try? First highest salary, you know now how to get first highest salary. Now I wanted second highest salary. Okay, let me try here. I will try. Okay. Come out and see. Select the max of salary from EMP if I execute. If I'm executing this query, okay, what it was happen, guys, here? In my salary column, entire my table, which is the maximum that will be displayed. What is the maximum of in this table? 5,000. So this is the first highest salary. Okay. Now I wanted what now? Second highest I wanted. I wanted what now? Second highest. Second highest means compulsory second highest salary. Compulsory second highest salary. Second highest salary is less than to 5,000 now. Yes or no, guys? Second highest salary must be less than to 5,000 or not? Yes, definitely. Okay. Then you can come out and see. First, I will write here. Select star from EMP where salary less than 5,000. So now we can see salary less than 5,000. How many employees are there? 13 employees are there. Yes or no? Total my employees are 14. But out of 14, after less than 5,000, there are 13 people are there. Yes or no? Less than 5,000, how many people are there here? Come on, guys. Less than 5,000, how many people? 13 people. Okay. So now in this 13 people, carefully observe. In this 13 people, what is highest salary in this 13 people? 3,000. In this 13 people, what is the highest salary? 3,000, of course, 3,000. Okay, right. So now I was written this query now. Here, observe the query how I'm writing. So the query I'm writing here, this is my query actually. Okay. Now what I want to do, in place of star, can I use a max of salary? 13 people, na? 13 people, maximum salary I want it. Now write like this. Select a max of salary from EMP where salary less than 5,000. Can I write? Yes, of course. And now observe, less than 5,000, careful observe guys here. Less than 5,000, total 13 people are there. In 13 people, what am I asking? Maximum I'm asking. Okay, less than 5,000, total 13 people are there. In 13 people, I'm asking what now? Maximum. Got it my point now? Yes. So now, okay, then I will be right now. Okay, fine. But whether it can get it or not, you can see. Yes, we got it up. Come on, guys, we got it up. Yes. But 5,000, can you write it directly here? We can't write now 5,000 directly. Then how to write now? Finally, select the max of salary from EMP where salary less than of, select the max of salary from EMP. Now 2,000 is my second highest salary. We got it. Okay, now this is how we can find out the second highest salary. Only we find out. Okay, right. So these are single row subqueries. Okay, the examples, guys, here. And today I stop it here, guys, because I have some little bit work. So that's why today I was taking 1 hour class. Okay, na? So again, some more examples we will see on single row subqueries tomorrow. Okay, na? And after that, multiple row, multiple columns, we check it out one by one. So today I'm stopping here, and tomorrow we will go for to continue. Okay, na? Right. And tomorrow I will interact with you. Today there is no doubt session. So tomorrow your doubt session and your class will also continue. Okay, right? Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.